is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, back at you guys again with another Tesla product unveiling, installation, and review. One of the biggest complaints that I hear from Tesla owners, and it really does not just impact Tesla owners but all automotive owners, is the fact that they will curb their rims. I guess I see it a lot in the Tesla community because the rims are typically relatively large. We're talking 20, 21, even 22 inches. So owners will find a way to curb their rims, and unfortunately it is inevitable. As careful as you are, you will end up curbing your rims. I ran into a company called EVOOOR, and what they do, they actually make a product to protect the edges of your rims. Now these are created from an 18 and they go all the way up to a 22. So the company has done a good job of pretty much covering the entire Tesla line of vehicles. Now with these here, they're made out of an alloy, I believe it's aluminum. It's designed to essentially tape around the edges of your rim where a majority of people will do the damages on their rims. As you can see, there is a 3M backing that holds these in place very well. And what I wanted to go ahead and do is I will show you guys how to install it. I'll share with you kind of some pro tips to make these last on your car. And then I will give you kind of my final thoughts on the advantages and disadvantages. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get these installed in my Model Y Performance. Here you see the 21-inch EVOOOR turbine wheels. And as you guys can tell, there's curb rashing here. We have it here, a little here, and then there's just a big gouge down here. So the rim edge cover, it's essentially going to cover this whole area here. So for the installation, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and wipe down the edges. I just use kind of like a degreaser. We'll go ahead and briefly let it dry. Now, EVOOOR includes a few things with the purchase. You get this little microfiber towel that you can use to kind of do a final wipe down. They also give you some adhesive promoter that you can put on here. I honestly don't think it's really necessary to do that, as the whole ring has the 3M VHB tape, which is very strong, so you don't necessarily have to do that. What I will do though is I will use their towel. I am going to use a little alcohol solution to get this nice and oil free. So we'll spray it down. And just using my fingers, this is oil free because you can hear it squeak. Now with the rim case here, or the rim edge protector, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this clear film off of the edge protector, just like such. Make sure that you do remove all of it. Okay, so that looks good. And then from here, this is going to be the back side, and as I had mentioned, it's VHB tape, which is very strong 3M tape. What I'd recommend that you guys do is you find the end of this here where the two edges meet. I just use a little prying tool here to kind of pry this out. Do not pull it all the way out. You want to pull it out maybe about 8 inches or so. And what we'll do from here, we're going to just put it on the rim. You're going to go ahead and press down. Slowly make your way around. Press down a little bit. Continue to do that. Go all the way around, just like such. Make sure that it makes contact with the rim's edge. Pull a little more. And we are about halfway done here with this rim.
Okay. So if you test it, I can tell you guys, this is going nowhere. This is very strong tape. Take a look here. You guys remember all the little damages here? You had a little chip here, and I believe there's one up here. But it blends in really well. That is it to the rim edge protector. And again, the color is a little darker than this gunmetal, I'll say. But overall, I think it looks fantastic. So you're going to do the same thing for all 4 wheels, and you are done.
So we're done with the install, and I would love to hear your guys' comments. So comment below, but I am going to go out on a limb and really say I think this is a must-have for your Tesla. What I love about the product is the prep, super easy. Putting it on was pretty much painless. All I had to do was make sure that the edge case protector was just on the lip of the rim, and I just went right around and made sure that it was on the rim. In testing it, I can tell you that protector is going nowhere. I tried to pull it off with my fingernails and fingers. It is not coming off. The other cool thing about these, they are again available in an 18, 19, all the way up to a 22. So EVOOR has done a very good job of actually marking it to all Tesla owners and all Tesla vehicles. In addition to having all of the sizes, they're even available in different colors. And if you want a custom color, I believe they can actually do it as well. So 2 thumbs up. Very good product. I do love the fact that they give you extra things to really make sure that that protector stays on. The one negative aspect that I see about these rim covers here, because it sticks on so well, you're going to have an exceptionally difficult time trying to pull it off. So on the one side, it's going to stay on, which is great from a safety standpoint, but on the flip side, it's going to be a little difficult to remove in the event that you need to replace it because for some reason you curbed it. In addition to that, because it is an edge protector, there is going to be some complications when you try to replace your tire. When you take it to the shop, because there's that little lip there, your tire shop is not going to be able to get their machine down to dislodge the tire from your rim. So what I suggest that you do need to pull it off if you need to get your tire swapped. So overall, I think from a benefit standpoint, those 2 negative aspects, I think it is well worth the trouble because it does a great job of protecting your rims. If you are interested in purchasing this, I will provide you guys a link below so that you can go ahead and do the order. I believe they have a sale going on right now because of the holidays, and you should be able to get it for a very good price. And as usual, my automotive fanatic family, I appreciate you stopping by, checking out another product video and supporting the channel. Make sure that you smash that like button if you do like this video, and also click that notification bell so that when I have new videos, you'll be the first to be informed. And also, please consider subscribing to the channel if you like my content and you want to see more in the future. This is going to be Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off. Until the very next time, my friends.